Align the U-anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Using the manufacturer's written specifications, hot air weld the perimeter edge of the cover membrane using a 2-inch roller to achieve a minimum 2-inch weld around the perimeter. If required, apply seam sealant in accordance with the roofing manufacturer's specifications. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.